Okay, Emmett, hold still. I know your emotions are running a little wild, but don't do anything crazy.
Emotions? What emotions? My emotions are dead. They say I'm crazy, got no sense, but I don't care. They may or may not mean offense, but I don't care.
Stop!
What are you doing up here?
Don't jump!
I wasn't gonna jump.
Then what do you...
This is where I come when I want to think.
Oh.
When I want to be alone.
Oh. Well, don't let me bother you. Go ahead and think.
Can't you take a hint? I don't want you here. I don't need you.
You don't know what you need.
And you do?
As a matter of fact, yeah. You need... to get some perspective. Think about it. All the people who have it even worse than you. For instance, Frankenstein's monster.
Frankenstein. I tell you that my very life force is drained away, and you want to talk about Hollywood monster movies.
It's a very inspirational monster movie. Especially the scene where they bring the monster to life. There's this big gurney that lifts him up into the air, and see, there's this wild storm going on, and lightning crashing everywhere. It's amazing. And you just gotta see it, Emmett. It'll change your life.
Look at my helmet. Which light is flashing?
Yellow.
Apathy. I don't care about movies. I don't care about anything anymore. And I never will.
Don't give me that. You care. You still care about inventing things.
Inventing is overrated. 99% hype, 10% fraud. Name one invention that ever did anybody any good.
How about... Think about Edison and the light bulb. That was a great invention.
Might have been. If there was anything in this miserable world worth illuminating.
Oh, le dépressif, quoi.
The automobile was a great invention, right? You love cars.
Yes. If I'm lucky, I may be struck by one today.
Eh ben...
The telephone. Think how that invention has revolutionized the whole world.
Yes. A person can be rejected long distance.
Help me out here.
You're getting on my nerves, Crockett. At least you would be if I still cared about anything.
Me! You care about me, Doc.
You?
Yeah.
You did this to me.
Did what?
I was perfectly content drudging away in my dad's law office. You show up out of nowhere, get me all excited about inventing, and disappear. 2 months later, you show up again, you trick me into making a hero out of myself and getting involved with Edna Strickland. Then you appear a third time and pretend to be my friend just so you can yank the rug out from under me and send me sprawling into the dirt.
Okay, I can work with that.
I love you, Sonny Crockett. Or is that even your real name?
Marty. My name is Marty.
Oh, so everything you've told me's been a lie.
More or less.
Why? Why did you ruin my life?
Edna was no good for you. She was leading you down the wrong path.
I see. You had my best interests at heart.
Yeah.
Just like my father.
Oh, but there's more to it, see? I did it for fun.
You ruined my life for fun?
Yeah, that's how I get my kicks.
You bastard. And all that time you spent building up my dreams, telling me I was gonna be a great scientist.
Yeah, what a laugh. Dreams are only for people with guts enough to follow them.
You're saying I don't have guts?
You? Look at you.
What do you know? A person like you? You don't know the first thing about me. I have more dreams in my little finger than you'll ever have.
Hey, daydreams don't count.
Daydreams? That's what they said to Edison. That's what they said to Einstein. That's what they said to...
Dr. Frankenstein?
Yeah, and look what they accomplished. I'm sick of people telling me what I can and can't do. First my father, then Edna, now you. Listen to me, good From now on, I'm living my life my way. I'm taking my own advice and I'm following my own ideas. My ideas. Do you hear me? My ideas. Great Scott. I've got it.
Got what?
Solution. My invention. I know how to make it work.
Mental alignment meter?
No, my airborne personal transport device.
The rocket car?
Not rockets at all. That was my mistake. The basic idea was sound, but the propulsion system was unworkable. But the lightning! Suddenly the answer is clear. It came to me all at once, like...
A bolt of lightning?
Exactly! Static electricity! Super ionized static electricity powering the asynchronous oscillation of frictionless plates inside the... What's this stupid thing doing on my head?
Emmett, you're you again.
Here I've been wasting my time with silly mind-reading tricks when there's serious science to be done. And the expo begins at 8!
Let's get the hell out of here before anything else happens.
What?
I said, let's get out of here before anything...
Alors, qu'est-ce que j'ai à disposition? Je n'ai plus rien.
It's not going anywhere. Emmett's helmet. I don't think he needs it now.
Non, effectivement, il n'en a pas besoin.
I can't undo the knot.
De mémoire, il me semblait qu'il fallait utiliser le...
Hold on!
I wasn't planning on doing anything else!
Emmett!
What?
Got anything useful on you?
Only my wallet. Oh, and this portable anti-stick, anti-stain formula. Oops.
Ok, c'était ça.
Hang in there!
Very funny.
On redescend, on va récupérer le flacon qu'il a fait tomber. J'avais oublié ce détail, je croyais l'avoir dans mon inventaire en fait.
Emmett's solution. This stuff's dangerous.
On remonte.
Hang in there!
I don't have a choice.
C'est pas du tout pratique, j'essaye de le faire au clavier, mais je vous laisse imaginer que le balancement est...
I don't think this spray would reach all the way over there. It's not going anywhere.
Je me suis loupé.
Gotcha!
Let's get out of here.
Your pants! They're stuck!
Do something before we're crushed. Ah!
Ah!
you doing?
Trust me. Hold on.
Et voilà.
What did you say your name was again?
Marty,
Marty? Thanks.
don't mention it.
Tungsten. The catalyst will need to be made out of tungsten, given the temperature within the converter will no doubt be intense. We'll have to harvest the filaments from all the light bulbs in my house.
Your invention. You think you can finish it before the end of the expo?
Think? I've got to. My future depends on it.
Then let's go.
Of course, the oscillating plates will need to be calibrated precisely. Even the slightest misalignment could cause the magnetic field to fluctuate in intensity, leading to sudden shifts in polarity. The results could conceivably be catastrophic.
Ouais, j'allais le
Who
dire.
cares?
My thought exactly. Science should be messy and unpredictable, or else where's the fun of it?
Et voilà, on arrive à la fin.
Need a lift?
Mr. Sagan, got the kinks worked out of your car of the future?
Not all of them, but at least the DeLorean's mundane terrestrial functionality remains intact.
As usual, I have not the slightest idea what you're talking about. In fact, you remind me of someone I used to...
There, my dear, don't worry. I'm sure it will all turn out well in the end.
Maybe for everyone else, but I suddenly feel very much like someone who's going to be alone and unloved for a very long time. Maybe I should get a cat.
Nonsense. I can state with nearly 100% certainty that you're going to have a long and fulfilling life.
How can you know that?
I think you'll find I know almost everything worth knowing about you and young Emmett and his friends. Tell me, how much do you know about Sonny Crockett?
Et voilà la fin de l'épisode 4. Petit aperçu de l'épisode 5 avant la fin, comme d'habitude.
Let me explain it again. I realized that it wasn't Edna that made my life miserable. It was science. She used my science to turn Hill Valley into a police state. If Emmett doesn't go through with a demonstration at the expo, his dreams of being a scientist will dim just enough for Edna to step back into his life and steer him down another path.
Doc.
Et voilà, c'est donc la fin de l'épisode 4. Salut M2L. J'ai vu que tu t'étais abonné, je t'en remercie. J'ai vu ça hier soir très tard. Parce que hier t'as dû partir à mon avis rapidement, on t'a plus vu pendant un petit moment. C'est sympa d'être passé. Excuse-moi, j'avais pas vu le chat, ça fait un petit moment que je suis tout seul en fait. Je suis tout seul depuis 23 h à peu près, donc ça fait une bonne heure et demie. Donc t'as loupé le live de l'épisode 4 de Back to the Future. Tu arrives au moment où j'allais justement clôturer mon live. Donc je le disais donc, c'était l'épisode 4. Ah, ta connexion t'a lâché, ok. Donc c'était l'épisode 4 de Back to the Future. J'espère que ça vous aura plu. Il n'y aura pas eu grand monde, mais au moins pour ceux qui le regarderont en replay, j'espère que ça vous plaira et que ça vous aura plu si vous êtes arrivé jusqu'au bout. Je remercie YomDimingSwan d'être passé au début du live. Je te remercie aussi toi, Imduel, d'être passé. Tu n'auras vu que la fin. J'espère que tu auras pu voir au moins un petit peu du jeu. Sinon, bah, il y aura l'épisode 5 et le dernier épisode normalement demain soir, je pense, probablement après Koh-Lanta, vu que c'est la seule chose que je regarde à la télé. Donc, comme vous l'avez vu, ça sent mauvais pour notre ami Marty, vu que le vieux doc de l'alternative 1986 a décidé de foutre le dawa. Et donc, ça risque de compliquer sensiblement les choses. C'est dommage que tu ne te sois pas abonné hier pendant le live, t'aurais vu ton joli pseudo apparaître à l'écran, vu que j'ai mis en place un système un peu de succès à comme sur la Xbox, avec le nom de la personne qui s'abonne. Mais bon, en tout cas, c'est super gentil d'être passé, et désolé pour ta connexion hier soir. Je pense que je reprendrai de toute façon Mass Effect probablement dès ce week-end. Et non, non, il n'y a pas de souci, t'inquiète pas, tu passes quand t'as le temps, quand tu vois que je suis connecté. De toute façon, je live assez souvent, hein, donc on devrait se recroiser, hein, il y a pas de souci à ce niveau-là. Et donc, bah, sur ce, je te souhaite une bonne soirée, désolé hein, que tu arrives au moment où j'arrête. Et je te donne rendez-vous bah, soit demain si t'as le temps, je vais commencer probablement vers 23 h, un truc comme ça, pour l'épisode 5. Soit ce week-end où je ferai probablement soit du Mass Effect encore un peu, soit je vais peut-être soit terminer Binary Domain, ou alors attaquer la Terre du Milieu, l'ombre du Mordor, quand j'en aurai terminé avec Back to the Future, si je le termine bien demain soir. Sinon, bah, j'ai encore plein de jeux à jouer, et puis comme j'ai toutes mes consoles rétro et le boîtier d'acquisition, il y a moyen de faire pas mal de trucs. Comme je disais hier, j'ai commandé quelques jeux rétro sur Super Nintendo et GameCube, je crois, pour pouvoir faire un gros live rétro sur les jeux de football. Je sais pas si c'est ton trip, mais c'est plutôt marrant de voir l'évolution des jeux de foot et de se faire un petit live avec toutes mes consoles. Et puis voilà, je crois que j'ai fait le tour. Donc voilà, je vous souhaite tous une bonne soirée. Merci à ceux qui m'ont suivi en live, donc Yomdame et Imdwell. Et merci à tous ceux qui auront suivi cet épisode via la rediffusion. Sur ce, je vous souhaite tous une bonne soirée et à demain soir. Ciao!